I literally heard something the other day that was so powerful, and it's just stuck with me. But I was talking to a gal, and she's like, I just want to be a yes mom this year for the holidays. And I'm like, oh, like, what do you mean? She goes, I just want to be able to say, yes, we can go see Santa. Yes, you can have that bigger Christmas tree. Yes, you can have that candy cane. Yes, we can go do this. And she goes, I've always been so tight money-wise that we just couldn't do things. We just had to stay home. She goes, I just want to be a yes mom. How many of you want to be a yes mom this holiday? And have fun and do the things that you've not been able to do before. You guys, there's been many Christmases that on the outside I had a smile, but on the inside I was disappointed, and I was like, man, I thought we could do more things over the holidays. And so I'm looking for my yes moms who's ready to learn the skills to work 2 hours a day and make extra income, so you have extra income by the holidays. How fun will that be? Because I will tell you what, so tomorrow night I'm doing a getting started training. So you got to check it out. If you're loving if you love it like I do, you can jump on that training. It's going to be an intimate training that we're going to do once a week. It's just going to be me and a handful of other people, and I'm going to help you get started quickly so you know exactly, 1, how to have a daily pay business, 2, how to have it automated, and 3, how to use social media to attract your customers to you without you having to find a customer, without you having to follow up with a customer, without you having to friend request a customer. I will show you how to have a rejection-free business where you have more time to do the things that you love. So if that's something you want to learn more about, and if you want to get on that live mentoring, getting started training tomorrow, put yes in the comments. I'll get you the blueprint details. If you have questions after you go there, email me quickly so I can get your questions answered, so I can see you tomorrow night on the Getting Started training and help you reach your goals and dreams and help you be a yes mom this holiday season. I look forward to working with you.